Alright guys, a lot of people are having this problem. You got the cigarette lighter where it goes in. It's not working, so I just bought one of these Bluetooth chargers, and when I go to put it in, you'll see it's not working. It's not lighting up or anything. So the next thing is we'll check the fuse. This is a Golf, Volkswagen Golf, and it's raining outside. You can see these have the fuse box here on the side. Turn the car off. So there's a panel on the door. You see there. Get that. There you go. Just comes out straight. And it's raining, so I'm gonna step out here. And I've checked it, but you'll have to check on your own one where the fuse box goes. This one here, I already checked this. This one. It's this one here. You can focus on that. You can see the fuse is actually blown. So I'm gonna get got a fuse bought off from Alpha just now. So I'm gonna put that one in, open it up, and check it out. So hopefully this will 15 to 52 on that one. I don't know what the difference is on that, but they look about the same. Let's try that and see what happens. Okay. So put that in there. Okay, as you can see, straight away the lights turned on, so that was that fuse. You can see there it's blown. What normally happens most of the time is that you get people leaving their changes, small 1p coins and 5p coins, and they fall inside there, which causes the fuse to blow. And that's fuse there. Turn that way.